Yo, what's up, what's up? This is a video about the restoration of my friend Ryan's 240SX. Ryan's car had a lot of rattle can spray paint on it, so I was able to convince him to sand it at his house to save some time and mess from my shop. All right, here we go. Ryan Wood over here, getting ready to restore his, what is this, a 90?
Yeah.
1990 S13. He's already been putting in work. Got it all stripped down for me. The guy's good. You're like a professional stripper.
Yeah.
Looking good. Oh yeah. What color are we going? Have you decided yet?
Red.
Red.
Dog dick red.
Better red than dead. All right, stay tuned. More updates coming soon.
Want it forward more or no?
It's good right there. The first thing we're going to do is start with some rust repair. So, Ryan's car is rotted. Like most 240s, especially in New England, they all rot down here on the quarter panel. But we don't want to scrap the car because it's still a good car overall, and he's put a ton of work into it so far. There's a little bee. Buzz off. You're gonna watch me get stung. All right, so we made this template right here, just out of some masking paper, stuck it on, and we use the body line here as a reference. We're not gonna cut that high, but Ryan's car is rusted from here below. So we just make this panel to match the contours. This is the edge where the bumper fits. This is the edge for the wheel opening molding, and I mark a body line that we have to shape. So now, because I have a junkyard full of these cars, we have a good reference and a template for a new panel. So, this is the template. You can see we fit it up here. Stick it on, and this is how we cut. We cut where we needed to leave as much of the original metal as possible, and from here down is going to be the new panel. So what I cut is actually going to be a little larger out of the sheet metal we have over there. So this shows you basically how it's going to fit. With the pinch weld on the bottom, wrap around here, wrap around there, and we should be good. So then we transfer this over here to the sheet metal and just get a general idea of the size we need here. And really you only need about that much, but we're gonna go a little more and just trim and fit as needed. It's better to have a little too much than not enough. All right, so next we're gonna cut this out of the sheet metal. Cut. The sheet metal here, this is excess that I'm going to trim off here. As you can see, we've got the bottom pinch weld here. This is the exterior of the panel that's going to show. This is the rear edge that wraps around near the bumper, and this is the wheel opening. So we trim here, and then we'll have a little excess up here that we're going to end up trimming off too. But we'll shape the panel first, and then we'll trim that off after we have it all fit. I don't have many high-end sheet metal fabrication tools, so this was all done with hammers, a bench vise, and some 2x4s. And of course, all of the inner panels had to be replaced first. Like always, I spray all of the panels with a weld-through primer. After the panel was all welded up and ground down, I used a short strand fiberglass filler. While cutting out the rust on the left side, I ran into a strange issue. Huh. Wonder what's going on there. Nice flow. So yeah, I figured it out, Ryan. You're leaking brake fluid, and I couldn't figure out why. It's not water. At first I thought it was water. Oh, Liquido de Frinos. There we go. Some jagoff cut right into it. Here's the left side rocker, all mocked up, welded, and then here's what I cut out. After a little bit more grinding and stripping, I told Ryan that it may be a good idea to invest in a new hatch.
Oh,
Go ahead, smack it.
wow. Jesus Christ.
Look at that hole. Here we are with the first skim coat of body filler. I like to cover the majority of the panel, and then I block sand it with 80 grit, 180 grit, and then 220 grit. Now it's time to prime. I like to spray all the edges on parts like this because I won't be able to after they're mounted to the car. The color Ryan chose is Ferrari Rosso Corsa. What you doing, Ryan?
Working, sweating.
Oh yeah,
Yep.
making sure that paint's gonna stick. The base coat and clear coat sprayed out beautifully, but I still like to wet sand and polish the whole car to make sure it's perfect. Here I've got all of his trim pieces and aero parts in primer. Ooh, looky here. Mr. Woodbury's here, looking fly as hell. More than you can afford, pal. Ferrari. A ton of work went into this restoration that I wasn't able to get on camera. One of my favorite things about working on a friend's car is having a good reason to hang out and accomplish something together. Be sure to keep an eye out for Ryan's red rocket around the streets of New Hampshire. Thanks for watching. Please be sure to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if you would have done anything different.